This is an emergency alert broadcast. We have discovered through radars and satellite imagery that a hurricane is likely within the next 16 hours. Please take shelter and rack up on supplies. These conditions can create a powerful cyclone capable of localized flooding and utility damage. This is a threat to the state of Michigan, the state of Ohio, the state of Pennsylvania, and the state of New York. We wish you good luck during the worst of the tropical storm. A hurricane has been spotted south of Port Stanley at 7:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. It is reported to move at speeds of 125 kilometers per hour, or 78 miles per hour. Make sure you have enough supply including power, food and water for at least 72 hours. This warning was issued by Environment Canada and Climate Change Canada. Breaking news! A warm front is coming to the Great Lakes region. This will raise temperatures into the mid-30s or 90s, depending on if you use Celsius or Fahrenheit. This will not just bring extreme heat though. This will also aid in the development of Hurricane Erie. Meaning Hurricane Erie could become more dangerous. Let's just pray that it never leads to anything catastrophic. For that could lead to something that the world will never recover from. We have confirmed that several tornadoes are on the ground, and at least 3 fatalities have been documented. Please take shelter in your basement or an interior room on the ground floor. This warning is in effect for Wayne County, Monroe County, and Washtenaw County. Stay safe, people. We have been tracking a dangerous hurricane and have discovered that it is heading towards southern Ontario. Key population centers include Sarnia, Owen Sound, and Goderic. This hurricane has developed winds of over 207 kilometers per hour, or 129 miles per hour. This could be a life-threatening situation. We are sending evacuation flights, buses, and supplies. Please go to your city center as we send evacuation services. You will have 2 hours to grab your most important belongings. If you miss the evacuation bus/plane, stay put. Because every 30 minutes we will attempt to send another until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. If you miss the last flight, good luck, because this hurricane can severely injure and possibly kill you. This warning will be in effect from September 10, 9:34 a.m. to a non-predicted point. Good luck, people. This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill. A powerful hurricane is heading directly to the Michigan Upper Peninsula and Wisconsin areas. It has wind speeds of over 144 miles per hour. Please evacuate the area. This is a Category 4 hurricane. It can cause severe damage to well-built homes. We suggest leaving the area or preparing for this catastrophe. You have 5 hours, so use them wisely. Hello, this is an automated message from the Government of Canada. We have discovered the cause of Hurricane Erie, a combination of heat, humidity, and sinkholes. Let's start with the bad news. This has been the costliest disaster in Canadian history, at over $20 billion. This will surely poke a hole in our funds. This is also one of the most deadly events of the 21st century, with over 700 deaths in Canada and the United States combined. Now on with the good news. Evacuation protocols were sent out effectively, which saved many lives. We also documented the storm and sent out emergency alerts as fast as possible. After this event, we also have fixed the hidden sinkhole problem. Fun fact, Lake Erie was over 400 feet deeper than it was before the sinkholes opened up. Thanks for listening to our public service announcement. Stay safe.